guys, I am about to do something that I don't want to do, and that is the direct marketing video. I have actually been putting it off because I have just been so scared. I've done it before. If you've watched me before with my vending machine videos, I have done direct marketing, door-to-door sales to try to get my vending machines placed. And it is an awful feeling. It is actually a lot of fear that you're not good enough. It's a lot of scared of the no, and right now I have to push through the fear. I had a student today push me to just go ahead and get up and do it. So I'm gonna get ready in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Start the day. Don't mind the mess in the back. We are building something in the master bedroom. Can't have all that stuff in there. Let's go! So of course I went to Dollar Tree to pick up some Christmas bags. I picked up some Christmas candy, tissue paper, small treats, big treats, thank you notes, and of course I have my cards that I'm going to be giving to people with my information on them. I'm going to put in some letters that say what do I do, how long I've done it, what I'm good at, and also give that to them along with my card. This is my first time going in, so I'm not going to be too polished on what I say or what I should say. This is my first time ever doing it, and I wanted to take you guys along for that ride. I ran out of big gifts to give, so I'm gonna just start putting everything in these small little bags and give it that way, just in case there's more people there than I expect. Alright, first I had to drop off a packet to UPS. It's dark in here, and I got some more packets to ship. Now let's find the closest escrow company and get this done. It's really dark. Sorry guys, it's really dark. Okay, I'm here. It's across the street. I can't take you in, obviously, with this, but I am going to film a little bit of the conversation on my phone, so you won't be able to see anything. I'll probably put some cute things up there to signify the person talked to me and me talking to them. But I hope they're there, and I hope this goes well. I just got to push past the fear of no. I mean, the worst they can say is no. If you're not a people person to just go up and talk to people, then I would just put in your mind the worst they can say is no. The fear of rejection is in your mind. So let's do this. I feel like that door is locked too because it doesn't look open. That's what it looks like. It doesn't look open. Like these shops behind me, they look open. This doesn't though. I'm gonna call them first. Hi, I was wondering if you guys were open for visitors today.
Yeah, are we open for visitors today?
Yes, do you have an office that I could come to?
I do have an office, but who am I speaking to?
My name's Jasmine.
And how can I help you, Jasmine?
Hi, I am a mobile notary, and I just wanted to come in and meet you today.
Well, today is not a good time, Jasmine. I will be leaving here in about 10 minutes, and then when I come back, I have closings.
Okay. Do you think if I could get there in 1 minute, that would be okay?
In 1 minute would be okay. If you're standing in front of the door, I'll let you come in.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss Doris, my name is Jasmine.
Sit right here, Jasmine.
Okay, thank you.
And tell me what you do. I love the colors on you.
Thank
That
you.
coat
It
is
was
beautiful.
fall, but you know, it's almost Christmas.
I got my ribbon in there.
I was just coming in just to meet you. There's not any people that I've met before. It's always people on the phone from like other states
You're
asking me to
smart
work.
to do that. And when they see you, they want to work with you, I'm sure.
Oh, okay.
Tell me about your background.
So I've been doing it for 5 years. My aunt is a real estate agent. She started out doing it, and she taught me how to do it.
Okay.
At a young age, but you know, 27 now.
Very good.
So I did bring in some treats for you as well.
Oh, that's too kind, but you shouldn't.
No, it's a nice little Merry Christmas.
It is. So, you have been doing it for 5 years. So exactly what are you doing?
Oh, I've done, well, right now, you know, it's a lot of refinances, forbearances, loan consolidations, all of that, purchases, buyers, but everybody's out of the
So you are
state.
the notary.
Yeah, the mobile signing agent.
The mobile signing agent. We have very few mobile requirements. In all of 2020, there might have been one.
Wow.
What we are desperate for are people to pick up documents to take to the courthouse and record.
Oh, so a courier.
Well, a courier in that sense, yes.
Yeah, I can do that. I have a car, I have a license.
You do. Yeah, I think that's what you should look at in addition.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Because I had my grandson working with me, but, family, he felt a little strapped. I would need.
Oh, you're gonna open it? I hope you like chocolate.
I do. And I hope you have your contact in there.
Yes, right
Isn't
here
that
for you.
Cute?
Okay, so the audio went out at the last second, but she wants to use me for the outer bounds that she doesn't go to, and she wants me to be a document courier, which is going to also be on one of my next videos for jobs you can do. Be a document courier, taking the documents to legal court systems for them to file it there. I'm so excited. I had to run across the street. Yay! Let's go to some more. All right, I'm at the second place. It is a escrow and title company, and this one was 11 minutes down the street from where I live, so we're gonna go in. Wish me luck.
Home Title, how can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if the office for you guys were open today. Okay, if anybody's there now, I'm actually here and I have some like Christmas gifts.
Okay, I can come to the door.
We've been using a company called Professional Notary Services out of Rochester, New York, only because a previous company I was with. So we would upload the documents to them, they print them. They charge $200 now per purchase and per refi. $150 seller side. Where are you standing in with regard to that? I could be a little lower than that if they're expensive.
Well, they were $175 for.
And then they went up.
Yeah, so but everyone's gone up. I mean, plywood itself went from $11 to $28. So just
everything that's been going on.
Yeah, so I wasn't sure. What kind of notice did you need in terms of?
Last second, anything. I usually like to get out of the house and work with people and talk, so usually last second.
Do you have like a cutoff for evening hours of any kind?
In what areas?
Yeah.
I've gone as far as Matthews County before and as far as the Eastern Shore before.
Okay.
So I just like to get out of the house, to be honest. So that's why I tend to take anything.
And do we email you the documents and then you print them, and then I'll just email you also a FedEx label for you to send them right back, or do you want to hand deliver? What's your protocol?
If that's easier for you, yeah, definitely would love to do that.
Because I mean, it's just typically how we do it is just upload the whole thing. I'll be specific if something has to be printed on legal size.
Yeah. Texting, calling.
Yeah.
Everyone has been enjoying the Christmas gifts that I'm giving them. I think when you guys do this, definitely come with gifts and things. Also, they were saying that they don't go to the south side of where I live, so I was like, I'll go. And they were like, what's your fee? So I was like, between $150, $170. I think this is just gold. You guys have to do this.
American Escrow, may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you guys had an open office today.
What does that mean?
Can people come into your office today?
Are you trying to come in and sign something?
Yeah, I was gonna drop some things off. I'm a mobile notary.
We are good in that department. I appreciate it very much, though.
Okay, thank you so much. Maybe you guys should call before you go in. She didn't seem very enthused. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Very hungry, and then I'll do my closeout statement. This is the outfit for today. Cute but conservative. I am back home. I went to 4 escrow places today. Well, technically 5. I think I went to 5. I called the other one, and as you guys heard, she won't have none of that. But do not let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. I went on to do 2 more, and I think I have at least 3 good leads. We'll see how they pan out. But what I decided to do was Google escrow companies near me, and the ones, I actually decided to do the ones that were near me, of course, but the ones who also had really good reviews and had at least over 3 reviews for them. Not everybody does Google reviews, but I wanted to do the ones that at least had a good reputation on Google, because they are going to be in my area. So I feel like customers will do the same thing. Next time I'm going to do the ones that don't have reviews, and then I'll venture out even farther and farther and farther away from where I live. I suggest that you like create a letter to give to them and let them read it, put your prices, come with prices. I usually just typically said that I would do around 130 to 175 or 200 for my price. The medical courier was a really good idea. Not the medical courier, the document courier was a good idea. That's going to be in my next video, or if you guys have already seen it or not, I don't know. Document courier is going to also be in there. So it's a lot of good ideas. Going out there, it does put you in the light of people seeing you. I'm young, but I do also like being traditional sometimes, and I think face-to-face is just a little bit more better. A lot of the escrow companies said that people called or sent emails to them about them, but I feel like having people see your face is a one-up, and then also coming with something to give to them is even better. So it's like the icing on the cake. So hopefully I get some phone calls. We'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. I think I will. I'm gonna stay positive. When I first decided to do it, I was very excited, and then when it came to me doing it, I kind of talked myself out of it. I was like getting anxiety, thinking that everybody was going to reject me like that one person did on the phone. But once I got all prettied up and ready, I was ready to go. I was excited. You know, maybe just making yourself look good makes you have a little bit more confidence. So, you know, put on a good outfit, a good suit, make a good impression. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know down below if you guys have questions. I am still doing my Notary 101 sessions, and I might also start offering pre-recorded sessions for people who may not have the time, have our schedules sync up to talk to each other, and they could just do an online course with my notary sessions, or you can do the simple Notary 101 with me. So go ahead and email me if you're interested in that, and I might even give you some of my tips and letters that I could drop off to people, and you could too. Just replace my name with your name. And yeah, let me know if you guys have done this down below. Is it going well for you? Has a lot of people hit you up in your area? And I'm excited to hear it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.